Well, we're glad you're with us on Mile High Living. I'm Gina Bellich. Holiday spending is in full swing, and instead of going into debt, stash cash in the bank account right now. Ideal Home Loans is ready to give you an early present. Ideal is the preferred mortgage provider of the Colorado Rockies, and Brent Ivinson joins us now. Tell us how we can earn a little bit more green. A lot of people may be thinking, this is the holiday season. I'm way too busy. This isn't something I can even think about right now. But you guys make it so easy.
Well, we do, and that's because we're a direct lender. So we can cut all the red tape out of this. This doesn't need to be this drawn-out process where you're jumping through a bunch of hoops. We can get this process done quickly and easily. I know it's a busy time of year, so we can send someone to your home. You can come to our office. You can handle everything online. We've got a lot of options to accommodate your busy schedule, but take advantage of rates now. They're low. They just dropped. We're not going to see that last. We're going to see rates go up in the new year. It's going to get more expensive.
Average person has about, or homeowner I should say, $17,000 in credit card debt. $17,000. That means if you're worried about credit card debt going into the holidays, which a lot of people accumulate, you can actually take care of that before this starts. So this is perfect time.
Well, you can. You know, and here's the thing. That's the national average. Here our home values are a little higher. You're probably looking at more like $20,000, $22,000.
Wow.
But here's the thing. We're not advocating stretching your debt out over 30 years. We'll show you how to pay your house off more quickly. So you're going to get ahead financially there. We'll show you how to put money in your savings account so you don't have to rely on credit cards, and get rid of those credit cards all at the same time. You don't have to stay on the credit card carousel where you make payments going around and around and never getting anywhere.
This is the time when you think, oh, this is a headache. It's not. You're making it so simple. Another thing that people need to know is that if you refinance today, you can remodel tomorrow. And I love when you say this because so many people are out there looking for homes. Inventory is low. Yeah,
absolutely. You know, we see this all the time in our office. People will go out shopping for a new home. They think they want to move up. And they go out and look and realize how much more expensive it's going to be. And they end up coming back and saying, you know, we'd like to really just remodel our current home. Can you help us? And we absolutely can. You can tap into your equity. We've seen so much of it throughout Colorado this year with all the home values going up. You can tap into your equity, refinance today, and remodel tomorrow.
All right, 303-867-7000. Your first payment would not be due until February?
Yeah, no payment on your new loan until February. So I know with those holiday bills rolling in and more expensive, you know, the holiday times really and as expensive as they are, it'll really help you out a lot.
Man, that is the way to go. Okay, now you'll have so many clients. You have hundreds, like probably even more than that. I'm just guessing. But you always have such great stories about how you help people because you guys do everything yourselves. Tell me a new story. I can't wait.
Yeah, you know, we had someone, a veteran. You know, we're just right around the corner from Veterans Day. And so the VA home loan benefit is one of the best benefits out there as far as mortgages go. So we were able to help these people consolidate their credit card debt. They had a significant amount they were looking to get rid of. We did that, saved them about $2,400 a month, but they took part of that savings and they were really concerned about paying their house off in 8 years for retirement. So we were able to show them how to take a portion of that savings, apply it back towards their new mortgage. They're now going to be debt-free, no house payment in 8 years, and all their credit card debt taken care of, and putting money in their savings account at the same time.
And sleeping so much better at night. I can't even imagine how nice that has to feel, especially walking into it thinking maybe you had no choice. And you obviously do after talking to you and your people. Let's also talk about the fact, and you've talked about this a little bit, that you are a direct mortgage banker. Why is that important?
Makes the process simpler and easier. So when we quote you fees, interest rates, timelines, when we give you these sorts of informations, we can make sure that we stand behind them. So it's not we're a middleman working on your behalf. You know, when you deal with a broker, they're at the mercy of the bank, and here's the problem. They're not in control of the process, and they're getting layered in, so it's typically more expensive to use a mortgage broker. When you go with a direct lender, you wind up with lower fees, lower interest rates, and that translates into lower monthly mortgage payments.
So if people are out there thinking, okay, well, maybe I want to refinance, but I just don't want to start with a whole new loan again. You know, I have put some in here, but I think I can get a better rate. What do you say?
You know, here's the thing. You don't have to start over on a new home loan. We can customize the term of your mortgage. So gone are the days where you get a home loan like your parents had that was a 30-year or a 20-year or a 15. If you need 18 years to pay your house off to stay on track so you don't start over in a new home loan, we can give you an 18-year mortgage. And the great thing is, in the process, you can take advantage of lower interest rates and lower payments while still paying your house off as scheduled originally.
And again, a lot of people think it's either or. You can't do both, and that's what you're trying to do right here. Mortgage insurance, oh my gosh, you know my feelings about mortgage insurance. But if you're a new home buyer, a lot of times it's necessary.
Yeah, it is.
But it isn't forever.
No, it's not forever, and that's what I think a lot of people don't understand. Mortgage insurance protects the lender, not you, the consumer. So with all the appreciation we've seen throughout Colorado, you have an opportunity to refinance. And we've helped people who've been in their homes for a little over a year refinance out of their loan that involved mortgage insurance because they didn't have 20% down when they bought. and eliminate that and save themselves $400 or $500 a month. It's a simple phone call. We can eliminate your mortgage insurance, and let's be honest, during the holidays, that's money that you, the consumer, can put to much better use rather than mailing it to your current mortgage company.
And I did not know that after I bought my first house, that was the case. It was so consuming and that I didn't understand that. So if that's the case for you, take a look at your mortgage statement, which brings me to my next question. A lot of people don't know what's on their mortgage statement.
No, you know, a third of homeowners don't know what the interest rate is on their current home loan. So, and that's because we have auto payment deductions. Things are just automatic today. And so take a look at it, because you could be missing out on $400 or $500 each and every month that you are overpaying. So grab that mortgage statement, take a look at it, call us. We can tell you if you can do better than what you're paying right now.
Yes, you can. Okay, call 303-867-7000 right now to schedule your free mortgage consultation. Receive a step-by-step plan to a lower mortgage. Your first new payment is not due, get this folks, until February. The number again, 303-867-7000. Learn more online at idealhomeloans.com. They paid for today's interview.